On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat Signup. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode and enable it for 5 seconds and disable it back. Now go back to the settings, open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this, and then all what you want to do next is click here or force stop, and then go to the data usage and make sure to enable all those options from the mobile data into the roaming data. And then all what you want to do next is just turn off your phone or turn it on again, or just restart it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.